myself is Pawar Anjana from AGM College Karar. Today we start the new topic which is application of derivative. So we start the first point, geometrical meaning of derivative. So consider a point P on the curve which is f of x. So consider a point P on the curve. So this is my curve, y is equal to f of x. Y is equal to f of x. Suppose one point here P at x is equal to a. So here at x is equal to a. So coordinate of P is equal to a comma f of a. So coordinate of P is equal to here a comma f of a. Now let Q is another point on the same curve. Q is another point on the same curve. Suppose I am taking next point which is Q here on the same curve. Now x is increases by small value of h. So that too here the h is increases by h. So here point x is equal to a plus h. X is equal to a plus h. So coordinate of Q is equal to a plus h comma f of a plus h. A plus h comma f of a plus h. So these 2 points on the curve which is P and Q, which is coordinate is given. Now I am taking secant here, slope of the secant of PQ. Slope of the secant of PQ. So slope of the secant line PQ by using a formula of 2-point form means y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. So we get here f of a plus h minus f of a divided by a plus h minus a. So therefore slope of the secant line PQ is equal to f of a plus h minus f of a divided by h. Now here Q is approach to P. Suppose Q is approach to P along the curve, that limiting position to the secant PQ is called as a tangent. Means जब Q is approach to P होगा, that time a plus h is approach to a, that time h is belongs to या h tends to 0 होगा. Means जब Q is approach to P, the limiting position of secant PQ is called as a tangent to the curve at point P. At point P at x is equal to a, and the slope of the tangent at point P is called as a gradient of the curve at P. Means taking limit Q tends to P, the slope of secant line PQ, that time we are taking limit h tends to 0, f of a plus h minus f of a divided by h. Now P is approach, Q is approach to P, so it's called as a tangent to the curve. Means here tangent, slope of the tangent to the curve, slope of the tangent to the curve is equal to, this is the formula of limit h tends to 0, f of a plus h minus f of a divided by h, which is the first principle of derivative, which is f dash of a, limit is exists. So this is the slope of the tangent to the curve is equal to f dash of x. So f dash of x is represent the tangent to the slope of the tangent to the curve y is equal to f of x at point a is equal to f of a. Okay. So here we know that whenever this curve is given and I want the equation of line to the tangent, that time we find the derivative of y, which is the slope of the tangent, and one point is given. So by using a slope point formula, we can find the equation of tangent. Now, next, we know that any line is perpendicular to tangent. Any line is perpendicular to tangent. Suppose this is my curve. Y is equal to f of x. This is my point P. Suppose this is my tangent equation. Okay, here. So this equation means we can find here derivative of y with respect to x. This is the slope of tangent, and by using a point a comma f of a, by slope point formula, y minus f of a is equal to dy by dx is equal multiply x minus a. So this is the equation of this tangent. Now suppose one line here perpendicular to this tangent is called as a normal. So this line is perpendicular to this tangent equation line. So it is a normal line. So how to find equation of normal? We know that if two lines are perpendicular to each other, so slope relation is slope of the one line is equal to reciprocal of slope of the another line and given minus sign. So here slope of the normal line is equal to minus 1 upon slope of the tangent, which is known as minus 1 upon dy by dx. Because dy by dx is known as the slope of the tangent, so slope of the normal is equal to minus 1 upon dy by dx. Again, we find the equation of normal. How to find? We know that a point, which is point is a comma f of a. We know the slope, which is minus 1 upon dy by dx. Again, we can use here slope point formula and we find the equation of tangent. So now in this concept, we can solve some example. Find the equation of tangent and we can find the equation of normal, which is 2 to 3 marks in board exam. So write down my first example. Find the equation of tangent and normal to the curve at that point on it. So my first example, y is equal to x square plus 2e raised to x plus 2 at 0, 4. At 0, 4. So here, find the equation of tangent and normal to the curve. Curve equation is given. Y is equal to x square plus 2e raised to x plus 2 at point 0, 4. So whenever we find the equation of tangent and equation of normal, first we find the derivative of y. So here given y is equal to x square plus 2e raised to x plus 2, because whatever derivative of y with respect to x, which is the slope of tangent, and we know that if point is given, slope is given, we find the equation of line. How to find? By using a formula y minus y1 is equal to mx minus x1. So we find first slope of the tangent. So differentiate with respect to x. So therefore dy by dx straightforward, because all is a standard function. X square derivative, which is 2x. 2 is a constant. Derivative of e raised to x, which is the e raised to x. Derivative of 2, which is constant term, derivative is 0. Now, so therefore, slope of tangent is equal to dy by dx. We consider here m is equal to 2x plus 2e raised to x. Now, I want the derivative of dy by dx at point 0, 4. So therefore, slope of tangent at point 0, 4 is equal to m is equal to, whenever is x substituting 0, whenever is y substituting 4. So 2 multiply 0 0, e raised to 0 is 1, 1 multiplied 2 which is 2, so answer here 0 plus 2 which is 2. So this is slope of tangent is equal to 2. Now we know that here point is 0, 4, slope of tangent is 2. So required equation of tangent at point 0, 4 is, by using a formula, y minus y1 is equal to m, x minus x1, slope point 4. So substituting here value, y1 value is 4 and x1 value is 0, m value is 2. So therefore y minus 4 is equal to 2, x minus 0. So we get here y minus 4 is equal to 2x. So we get here equation 2x minus 5 plus 4 is equal to 0. This is the equation of tangent. Now we find the equation of normal. We know that normal line is perpendicular to the tangent line. So whatever slope of tangent taking reciprocal given minus sign, the slope of normal. So here slope of normal is equal to, now slope of normal is equal to minus 1 upon slope of tangent, which is minus 1 by 2. Now required equation of normal at point 0, 4 is, again we use same formula, y minus y1 is equal to m, x minus x1. We can substitute here values. So y minus 4 is equal to minus 1 upon 2, x minus 0. Now here 2 is divide, both that side is multiply. So 2y minus 8 is equal to minus x. So required equation of normal is x plus 2y minus 8 is equal to 0. This is required equation of normal. Now we can solve the next example. My next example is second example, 2xy plus pi sin y is equal to 2 pi at point 1, pi by 2. 1, pi by 2. Now here given example in the form of implicit function because x and y is together. So straightforward we can differentiate with respect to x and only dy by dx LHS, RHS side and all other term goes to the RHS side. So given 2xy plus pi sin y is equal to 2 pi. Now differentiate because I want the slope of the tangent. So that's why we can differentiate given curve with respect to x. So differentiate with respect to x. So we can use here u multiply v rule. So 2 is constant inside the bracket. X is a constant, dy by dx. Now y is a constant, derivative of x with respect to x is 1 plus pi is a constant as it is, sin y derivative which is cos y and again a derivative of y with respect to x. So here cos y and again a derivative of y with respect to x and 2 pi is the whole term is constant, so derivative is 0. Now collect dy by dx term together. So simplify 2x dy by dx plus 2y plus pi cos y dy by dx is equal to 0. Now dy by dx together, other old term goes to the RHS. So 2x plus pi cos y to 1 bracket, outside the bracket dy by dx is common, take it outside, is equal to minus 2y. Now dy by dx is equal to minus 2y divided by 2x plus pi cos y. Now this is dy by dx is known as slope of the tangent. So we can find the slope of the tangent at point. Which point? 1 comma pi by 2. So slope of the tangent at point 1 comma pi by 2, which is m. So slope of a tangent at point 1 comma pi by 2, which is dy by dx at 1 comma pi by 2, which is m. So whenever is x replaced by 1, whenever is y replaced by pi by 2. So minus 2 multiply pi divided by 2 divided by 2 multiply 1 plus pi multiply cos pi by 2. So 2 is cancelled out. Now what is the cos pi by 2? Which is 0. So minus pi divided by 2 plus pi multiply 0. So we get here slope of tangent at point 1 comma minus 2 1 comma pi by 2, which is minus pi by 2. So m here minus pi by 2, which is slope of the tangent at 1 comma pi by 2. So required equation of tangent, at point 1 comma 1 comma pi by 2 is y minus y1 is equal to m x minus x1. Simplify. Whenever is y1 substituting pi by 2, whenever is x1 substituting 1, and whenever is m substituting minus pi by 2. So y minus pi by 2 minus pi by 2 x minus 1. Now here LHS side and RHS side is pi by 2 is 2, denominator is contained 2, so denominator is not same, so multiply both side by 2, we get multiply both side by 2, we get 2y minus pi is equal to minus pi multiply x minus 1. Now this pi multiply inside the bracket, so 2y minus pi is equal to minus pi x plus pi. Now required equation of tangent is equal to plus pi x plus 2y minus 2 pi is equal to 0. So this is the required equation of tangent. Now we know that whatever slope of tangent taking reciprocal given minus sign, which is the slope of normal. So now we find the equation of normal. Before we find the equation slope of the normal, so slope of normal at 1 comma pi by 2 is equal to minus 1 upon dy by dx, which is minus 1 upon minus pi by 2. So slope of normal at 1 comma minus pi by 2 is equal to 2 by pi. 2 by pi. So required equation of normal having slope 2 upon pi at point 1 comma pi by 2 is, again we can use same formula, y minus y1 is equal to m x minus x1. So y minus y1 is equal to m x minus x1. So substituting value y minus pi by 2 is equal to 2 upon pi x minus 1. Now again here denominator is not same, so pi is multiplied, 2 pi is multiplied both side. So we get here 2 pi 1 minus pi square is equal to 4 x minus 1. Simplify. 2 pi 1 minus y square minus 4x is equal to 4x minus 4. So we get 4x minus 2 pi y minus pi square plus 4 is equal to 0. So this is a required equation of slope, required equation of normal. Now next equation, next x is equal to, third example, sin theta and y is equal to cos 2 theta and theta is equal to pi by 6 and theta is equal to pi by 6. So given equation, two curves in the form of theta, which is given equation in parametric form. So we can find the dy by dx by using a formula parametric equation, which is the dy by d theta divided by dx by d theta. Before we start, we can find the point, because which point we can find the slope and tangent. So we can find here first point. So x is equal to sin theta, whenever is theta replaced by pi by 6. So sin pi by 6, which is a 30 degree. Sin 30 degree, what is the value? Which is 1 by 2. And y is equal to cos 2 theta, which is a sin 2 multiply pi by 6, sorry, cos 2 multiply pi by 6, which is cos pi by 3, again pi by 3 means 60 degrees, so cos 60 degrees again 1 by 2, so y is equal to 1 by 2. So x and y coordinate is 1 by 2 comma 1 by 2. So we get here point first. Now I want here dy by dx. So I want here differentiate x with respect to theta, differentiate y with respect to theta. So given x is equal to sin theta and y is equal to cos 2 theta. So differentiate with respect to theta. So dx by d theta is equal to cos theta, dy by d theta is equal to minus sin 2 theta, and again a 2 theta differentiate, which is 2. Okay. Now we find the dy by dx here. We find the dy by dx. So dy by dx, we know that dy by d theta divided by dx by d theta. Substituting here values, we get here minus 2 sin 2 theta divided by cos theta. Now this simplify. We can use here sin 2 theta formula, which is multiple angle formula, which is 2 sin theta cos theta. So dy by dx is equal to minus 2 multiply 2 sin theta cos theta divided by cos theta. Now this cos theta is cancelled. We get here a minus 4 sin theta. So slope of tangent at pi by 6, theta is equal to pi by 6, which is dy by dx at theta is equal to pi by 6 is equal to minus 4 multiply sin pi by 6. So is equal to minus 4 multiply 1 by 2, which is minus 2. So slope of tangent at theta is equal to pi by 6, which is n, which is minus 2. Now we find here equation of tangent at point 1 by 2 comma 1 by 2 and having slope minus 2. So equation of tangent at point 1 comma 2 is y minus y1 is equal to m x minus x1. Now substituting your value, y minus 1 by 2, what is the value of slope here? Minus 2, x minus 1 by 2. Now here simplify, y minus 1 by 2 is equal to minus 2x plus 1. Now 2 is here denominator, LCM is not same, so first divided by multiply 2 both side. We get here 2y minus 1 is equal to minus 4x plus 2. Now we get the required equation 4x plus 2y minus 3 is equal to 0. Now next we find the slope of normal. How to find the slope of normal? Whatever slope of tangent, taking reciprocal given minus sign, so slope of normal is 1 by 2. And again we use the same formula, y minus y1 is equal to m x minus x1. So we get the required equation of normal. So next lecture we solve more example for depends on the same concept. Thank you.